Hello, what is your name?
Kai.
What is your name?
Hi, I'm Kai.
From?
Valenzuela.
Sinong bias mo?
Si Stel.
Okay, what can you say about the Fast Zone experience?
Tawag ito, hindi ako makapasok ng wait. Breathtaking. God. Kasi talagang buong mga performance nila, lagi lang ako nakarama. Like, hindi rin ako, parang pinigilan ko talaga yung paghinga ko kanina. So, amazed ako sa performance na hindi ko iniisip ko kung ano bang mas favorite ko na concert this year, kung ito ba o yung simula ito as kaya sobrang.
So approve yung concept nila na music and fashion.
Ano?
So approve sa'yo yung music and fashion.
Approve. Para ako nanood ng theater musical.
Diba? Ibang klase. Message mo sa kanila.
Siyempre, happy 7th anniversary SB19. At sobrang love na love ko kayo at love na love kayo ng mga 18 sa paligid nyo. At yun, hanggang sa marami pang taon para sa iyo.
Thank you so much. What is your name? Where are you from?
What?
What is your name? Where are you from?
I'm Rachi from Caloocan.
Sino yung bias mo?
Bias ko po si Josh Callen!
Oh my God. What can you say about the Fast Zone after watching it?
So, bitin! Akala ko pa first part pa lang, tapos na pala. Good job, guys!
Ano yung favorite mong segment doon?
Favorite ko yung sa umali din. Ang ganda ng production as in. Yung sa taas, yung maangat na gano'n. The best.
So approve sa'yo yung music and fashion nila?
Yes, sobra! One of a kind. Bagong-bago na naman sa SB19. So, congrats, guys!
Message mo sa kanila, they're celebrating 7th anniversary.
Happy 7th anniversary, SB19! We love you so much and keep doing what you love. And ito na kami to support you, guys!
Thank you! And what is your name? Where are you from?
Denise from Muntinlupas.
Sino yung bias mo?
Justin and Pablo.
Sino?
Justin and Pablo.
Okay, bakit sila?
I don't know. Wala lang. Hindi ko masabi kung bakit. Siguro kasi si Justin, sobrang pure kasi sobrang genuine na personality na nakikita ko sa kanya. Kasi mas yung leadership na meron siya and kung paano siya as a leader ng grupo ng SB19.
Kamusta yung Fast Zone after watching it?
Biten! Sobrang biten. So, wala naman natin na iba siya compared sa parang common na takbo na concert. Pero it was fun kasi at least nabigyan nila tayo ng different, parang siguro different flavor yun bago para sa mata ng 18. So, yun.
Message mo sa kanila, they're celebrating 7th anniversary.
Happy 7th anniversary sa atin. More years to come. Ang SB19 hanggang mamatay.
Thank you so much. What is your name? Where are you from?
I'm Jules from Bulacan. From representing 18 Fanboys.
Nakita ko nga, ayun. What is your experience after watching Fast Zone?
Kakaiba. It's a different experience, different. Iba yung atake. It's not the same with Saw. Sabi ko kanina, they just recently won the concert of the year. Kasi sabi ko, mukhang may panlaban na naman.
Ibang-iba. So approve ka sa music and fashion nila?
Oo, sobrang approved. Tsaka ang ganda ng nila, ng arrangement ng music. Parang, ano yun?
Sino pala yung bias mo?
Style.
Bakit siya?
I'm more on to singers kasi and Style is one of the best. One of the best. Though lahat sila magagaling, pero he's one of the best.
And then he hit another note kanina.
Yes. I'm expecting yung mga value niya today, pero in MP3 version niya lang yung kanina. So I'm expecting. Pero okay lang kasi na-deliver naman. Galing.
Asan, 18 boys, tama, fanboys.
18 fanboys.
Yeah. What is your message to SB19? We're celebrating.
Ayan, so happy anniversary SB19. So thank you for your lives. Thank you for inspiring us. Thank you for yung binuhay nyo, yung mga natutulog na namin, yung mga namatay na namin ng mga pangarap. So, ganun ka-deep yung idol ko, yung impact mo sa amin. And so happy kasi naging 18 ako, nakilala ko yung SB19, na-inspire ako. And ayun, hindi ko masabi lahat, pero enough na yon na parang nandyan dumating kayo para i-save ako.
Thank you so much. Hello, what is your name? Where are you from?
Hello po, I am Ria Vale and I'm from Pasig City.
Yes, kamusta yung... Hello. Kamusta yung experience mo after watching Fast Zone?
roller coaster kasi parang 'di ba from solo tapos merong parang commercial by the models and then biglang mag-iba yung mood kasi nga solo na naman and then di mo expect na puro solo yung pala meron parang singit na as a group na sayaw.
Yeah.
So parang lang, wow! Parang
Diba? Susulat talaga.
Apo, super.
Who's your bias pala?
Siyempre, Josh Collins!
Diba? Lata naman. Bakit mo siya bias?
Kasi, tara, bias ko po siya kasi, long story short, na-inspire ako or like na-touch ako sa backstory niya, ano yung pinagdaanan niya, and then, parang medyo na-relate ako sa kanya kasi yung childhood niya is parang same din sa childhood ko, like, yung struggling sa life, and then, parang as a child, parang hindi ka nakaka-open up to your parents or to someone na you trust with, parang gano'n.
Message mo na lang sa kanila doon celebrating 7th anniversary and birthday din ni Justin.
Opo, ano po yun?
Message mo sa kanila celebrating 7th anniversary.
Well, hello SB19, kilala nyo na ako. Well, I just want to greet you po. Happy 7th anniversary. And syempre, it's a very big achievement po sa inyo to. So I'm very, very proud po sa inyong 5. And syempre, hanggang dulo, nandito po kami, especially ako.
Thank you so much!
Thank you po!
Ano
Okay
na
lang.
lang?
Ay, siya naman, para may iba.
Yeah. Kamusta yung... Para
Kami
kayong dalawa.
I was
Ayan, kamusta yung experience mo? Ayun,
So-
kasama mo si ano.
Lagi naman kami magkasama, but so fun, always. Laging bitin din kasi we're never satisfied. Laging gusto namin more.
Well, we're satisfied, pero syempre, they always give more than what they can.
It's more of like, we don't want to stop. We
Yeah.
don't want them to stop. Yun, you know.
Grabe yung look nyo, black and white talaga.
Oh!
Wow!
This way talaga.
Talagang
Yeah.
music and fashion din, di ba? Ay, ano yung favorite part nyo doon sa concert?
Josh, bilang
Ah!
barbecue, Josh's
Perfect.
part.
Ako, sa solos, I think my favorite yung kay Pablo Micha. Yeah, and then sa group, I was surprised na may doom ka pa.
Yeah! Encore!
Yeah, sobrang solid.
Message mo sa kanila, they're celebrating 7th anniversary.
Happy anniversary to SB19. Thank you for bringing so much joy to all the 18. And I wish you all the best. And I'm sure you're gonna reach new heights as you continue your journeys.
Happy anniversary, SB19. Just continue doing what you're doing because you're doing it so well already. And we can't wait to see where you go. And we're always here as 18 to support you throughout your journey.
Thank you!